air quality matters. It impacts our health. Poor air quality can cause breathing problems. It can worsen existing conditions like asthma. Monitoring air quality helps us make informed decisions. We can choose to stay indoors on bad air days. Knowing the air quality index, or AQI, is crucial. The AQI tells us how polluted the air is. It uses a simple scale. A higher AQI means the air is more polluted. Lower AQI values indicate cleaner air. Checking the AQI is easy. Many websites and apps provide this information. You can even build your own AQI checker with Python. This allows you to get real-time data for your location. By monitoring AQI and understanding its implications, you can take proactive steps to safeguard your health. Let's learn how to build a Python script to do just that. Before diving into coding, we need a few things. First, make sure you have Python 3.0 installed. You can download it from the official Python website. Python is our programming language of choice. Next, the requests library. This library lets Python talk to websites. Install it using pip. We'll use it to fetch data from APIs, then get a free API key from OpenWeatherMap. Their API provides weather data, including AQI. You'll need to sign up for an account and finally sign up for a free AirVisual account and get an API key. AirVisual specializes in air quality data. With these prerequisites in place, you're ready to start coding your very own real-time AQI checker. Let's break down the Python script step by step. First, begin by importing the necessary libraries. Python import requests. Next, store your API keys. Python OpenWeatherMap _API _key =, your _OpenWeatherMap _API _key AirVisual _API _key =, your AirVisual _AP _key. For this example, we'll use a fixed location. You can enhance this by using the user's IP address or asking for their location. Python latitude =34.0522. Hash example Los Angeles longitude =118.2437. Use the OpenWeatherMap API to get weather data. Python URL =https://api.openweathermap.org/data/2.5/weather. Latitude lon longitude apid OpenWeatherMap API key response =request get URL data =response.json AQI =data name AQI hash extract AQI from the response. Use the AirVisual API to get more detailed AQI information. Python URL =ftp-ap.airvisual.com/v2/nearest_city. Latouche hash latitude along longitude cater an AirVisual API key response =requests get URL data =response.json US_AQI =data current pollution AQIs hash extract use AQI. Finally, print the AQI information. Python print the overall AQI is AQI. Print the US AQI is the just _AQI. This script fetches real-time AQI data from both OpenWeatherMap and AirVisual. You can run this script anytime to get the latest AQI for your chosen location. Congrats! You've built an AQI checker. Now use it to make informed decisions. Check the AQI daily. If the AQI is good, between 0 and 50, enjoy your outdoor activities. If it's moderate, between 51 and 100, sensitive groups should limit time outside. If the AQI is unhealthy, between 101 and 150, consider wearing a mask if you're sensitive to air pollution and limit outdoor exertion. You can improve the script, add error handling. Include a feature to get the user's location automatically. You can even set up alerts for when the AQI reaches a certain threshold. Remember, knowledge is power. By monitoring air quality and understanding the AQI, you can protect yourself and breathe easier.